Welcome to Totally Toddler Ed. Today, we'll be exploring the world of fruits with our little adventurers. Are you ready for a fruit fiesta? I'm your fruity friend, and today we're going to embark on a mouth-watering adventure to discover the joy of fruits. Are you ready for a fruit fiesta? Let's get started. Fruits are not only delicious, but also very healthy. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help our bodies grow strong and healthy. So, let's start exploring some of the most popular fruits. Amazing fruits. What small, juicy, and round fruits are these? That's right. Grapes! Our first fruit of the day is grapes. Grapes come in many colors, such as green, red, and purple. They are sweet and juicy and can be eaten as a snack or added to salads. Grapes are like tiny flavor explosions in your mouth. Can you pop a grape into your mouth and give it a tasty munch? Delicious grape munchers, you're doing great. Now, let's move on to a banana bonanza. Bananas are super easy to peel and full of energy. Peel your imaginary bananas and take a big, yummy bite. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which is important for healthy muscle function. They are easy to peel and can be eaten as a quick snack or added to smoothies. Fantastic banana munchers. Now, let's explore the world of apples. Apples are crispy and sweet. Take a big crunchy bite from your imaginary apple. Munch, munch, munch. Wonderful apple munchers! Now, let's jump into the tropical world of mangoes. Mangoes are juicy and oh so tasty. Pretend to hold a juicy mango slice and take a big juicy slurp. Slurp. Amazing mango slurpers. Now let's have a berry blast with blueberries. Blueberries are like little bursts of goodness. Can you pick some imaginary blueberries and pop them into your mouth? Pop, pop, pop. Incredible blueberry poppers. Now let's dive into the juicy world of watermelon. Watermelon is perfect for staying hydrated and refreshed. Pretend to hold a big watermelon slice and take a juicy bite. Munch, munch, munch. Now, let's talk about watermelons. Watermelons are perfect for hot summer days as they are refreshing and hydrating. They are also low in calories and high in vitamins A and C. Refreshing watermelon munchers. I hope you're all having a fantastic fruit fiesta. Fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins that make us strong and healthy. Now, let's shake things up with some fruity dance moves. Wiggle, shake, and twirl like your favorite fruits. Can you dance with me? Our next fruit is pineapple. Pineapples are sweet and tangy and are a great source of vitamin C and manganese. They can be eaten as a snack or added to desserts and smoothies. but not least, we have kiwis. Kiwis are small, but they are packed with nutrients. They are a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. They can be eaten as a snack or added to fruit salads. So there you have it, toddlers. A fruit fiesta that is not only fun, but also healthy. Don't forget to try different fruits and see which ones you like the most. And always remember, eating fruits every day is essential for a healthy and happy life. Incredible fruity dancers! I hope you had a blast exploring the world of fruits with me today. Remember, fruits are not just tasty, they're super good for us too. Keep enjoying a variety of colorful fruits, and you'll grow up strong and healthy. Thanks for joining us today at Totally Toddler Ed. Until next time, bye-bye, little Fruit Fiesta friends!